Log in at ICTContact web portal. Select the main menu, Contact Center. Select the sub-menu, Messages. Under the sub-menu, select Recording and click on it. Click on the Add New button on the top right side. Page opens. Enter the required information in the field boxes. Recording. Enter the campaign, name and description, recording source, ICT broadcast support, multiple recording source options, such as recording file and text-to-speech option, text-to-speech. User can also select the recording source as text-to-speech and then enter the text message that will convert to audio and will play as audio during campaign. Recording file. User will click on Choose File button and add file from device. Now we'll see how to create, run, message campaign. Select the main menu, Contact Center. Select the sub-menu, Campaign Management, and click on it. Click on the Add New button from top right side. Page open, select the message campaign, and click on it. Page will opens. Enter the following required information in desired fields. Name. Enter the campaign name. Contact group. Select contact group for campaign. So ICTContact will dial the numbers for selected contact group only. Enter the caller ID. Caller ID is the number that appears when a call is received by the recipient. For example, if you use your number as caller ID and when call reaches the recipient, message recording. When recipient receives the call, selected recording will play as an audio. Max concurrent channels. Max concurrent channels in ICTContact refer to the maximum number of simultaneous calls that can be made. Max retries. Max retries in ICTContact refers to the maximum number of attempts the system will make to contact a specific predefined contact when the initial call does not connect or is not answered.